Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. And again, I'm trying to film outdoors because it's a beautiful day and I have a new box to my channel. It's Sips and Samples. And I got this off of Cratejoy because they were having, I believe it was 20% off. And it was a $59.99 box per month and I got 20% off of that. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. And I will leave the link because you can just go to Cratejoy and purchase the box. And I think they might even have 25% off. And now that it's getting closer to like the Black Friday, they're just throwing all sorts of deals out at Cratejoy, like 30% off. And if you get it quarterly, they even offer more of a discount. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, you know how much I love you guys, your support, and I have all sorts of new boxes coming to my channel. So stick it out with me. So let's get into this box. And this is the October box. And I believe I received this a few weeks ago, but I'm so behind on everything. October, did you know the New York's Greenwich Village Halloween Parade is the largest of its kind in the world? It features 50,000 participants in costumes. Now, I did not know that. I never would have guessed it was in New York. And October 1st is International Coffee Day. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So, and then there's one tree planted for every box that they ship. So this is really obviously starting off to be a great box and very informative. And then inside is everything that's included in this box. So I didn't pay, obviously, the full price of the box, and I think that included shipping, and of course they always have to add tax, and in Arizona I think we're at like 7.5% tax. And it's got this beautiful gold tissue paper with the coffee cup on here. And the first thing that I pulled out is Bada Bing Bada Boom sweet crunchy broad beans, 100 calories, and it looks like it's a snack. And who doesn't love a snack? And I'm thinking it's healthy. Your plant-based powerhouse. So it's a healthy snack. And then the next item, pumpkin spice mug cake mix. So I guess you make it in the mug, 2 grams of sugar per bag. So it shows you in the back, you make it in your coffee mug. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Now when I make it, it's not going to look like that. But I drink it so fast, nobody will know the difference. I don't really smell anything, but can't wait to try it. The next item, let's see if they have retail prices. The pumpkin spice mug cake from Sweet Logic. It says it retails for $25. You can get it on Amazon, but I'm sure that's more than, you get more than just one. Trying to, it helps with cancer and diabetes. So it looks like there's like a box of them that you can get. And then what else did I open? Oh, those little healthy things. I don't see those little healthy. Oh, here they are. Crunchy broad beans. Free shipping on over 49. So I guess it gives the websites of everything so you can go and shop and buy things. And usually if you get stuff off of Amazon and you have Prime, it's free shipping anyway. Oh, and a Spongel. It's I'm not sure, all-in-one beauty treatment. It helps keep feet soft, cleans, buffs. So I'm not sure if it's a feet or just an all-over bar. But it's the beach scent. And who doesn't like, so it's a petty buffer with built-in cleanser from Spongel. And again, you can get this on Amazon. So it looks like a lot of the products you can get on Amazon. And it doesn't really have the price of this one. And then we have this. I'm not going to take it out of the package because I don't know what it is. Eco-friendly reusable linens from Alt Linen. It's a mission to reduce paper towel waste. Oh. They'll save 24 million trees a year. So I'm not sure if they're napkins or they're like cleaning. I'm reading more. If they're dirty, toss them in the wash. So I think they're reusable towels. So those are nice. And we got more. We have another card. Visit snackfree.com. Oh, two-step jelly mask. Oh, you must have to, this feels like a stick. So it's a two-step jelly mask from Meg. And you can go to megcosmetics.com and get more if you like it. Oh, what is this? Candy-O Candle. Candy Corn Apple Harvest Pumpkin Spice Latte. I thought it was like a chocolate. I got all excited. Oh my God, I can smell it. But did you see the cute packaging before I rip it to shreds? Oh, wow. It's little tea lights that look like a candy corn. Oh my gosh. They smell. This is like an apple cider. The first one was like a, I don't know, like a pumpkin. No, this is like a fall scent, but how cute is that? Little bummed it wasn't chocolate. And let's see where you can get refills of that. Oh, here at the bottom. Fall tea light candles from Candy-O Candle. And you can get them at Amazon. Wow. I like this because it tells you where to get everything if you like it. And then we have for best results, refer to the label for best method of preparing tea. So this is tea. I'm not going to take it out of the package, but one of the reasons I ordered this box is because of the tea. But look at the nice packaging, and there's a breast cancer pin on there. And don't forget to check out from Cohorted. I ordered their breast cancer box, so I will leave the link above for that. And then we have some organic baked cinnamon apple Tazo tea. Wow. And then from Kenya Coffee, 8 to 10 cups of coffee. So this is coffee. And this is the time of year we get a lot of company, so we make pots of coffee instead of using the Keurig. And organic baked cinnamon apple, another one. Oh. And then for the Keurig, we got Bones Coffee Smoky. We have another one. These cute little things. We have a few more. They all must be different flavors. I just can't read them right now. But how cute are those? And we have pumpkin spice. It looks like it's a whipped butter. I don't know if the cap is on here. It looks like there's a seal. Oh, no, there isn't, but it looks like there was, but it didn't work. But look what's on the top. Oh my goodness. And let me make sure that I have everything. I didn't leave anything behind. I love all these cute little coffee things. So we have the pumpkin spice mug cake, the broad bean snacks, the pumpkin spiced it's a whipped foaming soap, two-step jelly mask, a petty butter with built-in cleanser, the reusable linens, the around the world coffee sampler, it's a headless horseman pumpkin flavored coffee, s'mores and graham crackers flavored coffee, the organic immune support tea, organic herbal tea from Tazo, and the fall tea light candles from Candio Candle. So what'd you think of my box? I mean, if you're a tea and coffee lover, one or the other, it's a great box. I like the box. Do I think it's worth $59.99? I want to say no. I mean, I know coffee is very expensive. Of course, groceries in general are very expensive. The Spongel, of course, I can never say no to. But I don't know. I need your opinion below. I like the box. Would I get it again? I would get it again if I got the discount, to be honest. I just don't think getting a monthly $60 a box with special coffees and teas would be my preference. It would make a great gift box. I would maybe do it quarterly if it had something in there that I really enjoyed, but I need your comments. I buy these boxes to do as reviews, so I buy it, you don't have to kind of deal. I don't get paid to review these boxes, so I do my honest review. And I did enjoy the box, but I'm not sure. And I have to say, it included the shipping. So I know shipping is like $15 on these boxes. So in actuality, it's probably a $35 box. And then or $40 box. I think it's worth it. So please leave comments. I love the soap. I want to try the little coffees. And thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. And I'll see you on the next video.